Today we'll talk about sprouting. Sprouting is a game changer. It's the difference between eating a dormant seed and a living powerhouse. Sprouting unlocks vitamins and minerals and proteins. It reduces anti-nutrients, which otherwise they have your food for lunch. We don't want that, do we? And today I will teach you how to sprout almonds. Very simple. They actually sprout in water. So let's do it. It won't take long. So we pour almonds in a bowl. And then we add water. And I always like to give them a wash first. And I'll show you here how the water becomes murky. So it is a good idea to rinse them before we soak them. Yeah. Give them a good rinse. Rinse our bowl. Pyrex or stainless steel. Very clean bowl. So if you, when you sprout, if you say it's kind of slimy, I don't know, there's something wrong, make sure that your bowl is sanitized. And then we put more water. We do 1 part almonds and 2 parts water. And this will soak for 24 hours. So you can use a timer or you can use your phone to remind you, but put a timer somewhere. And then I will show you something. Once they have soaked for 24 hours, you have a tiny little sprout that I will open up the almond here. And now you can see the sprout. See the little sprout? So it just sprouts like this, 24 hours in water, that's all it takes. It's so simple. After 24 hours, we pour the water out, give it a good rinse again. There we go. And then I will show you 2 options for dehydration. So you can dehydrate in a dehydrator just like mine here. I'll show you. See, these I've been in the dehydrator, so they'll become all dry and shelf stable. Or what you can do as well, you can dehydrate here in a 𝘀𝗂𝗯𝗶𝗶𝗹𝗀. You need to get an air fryer that has trays though, not basket. You need trays. So you can dehydrate in here as well. The 𝘀𝗂𝗯𝗶𝗶𝗹 has a dehydrating function. It says there, dehydrate. And then you can choose to have it at 48 degrees and then 24 hours. So you can use a 𝘀𝗂𝗯𝗶𝗶𝗹. And I'll put the link in the description so you know which one. And then what you do, you put the almonds on a tray and just a 1 layer though, not too thick. There you go. And then you dehydrate them. If you do it in your oven, you take a cookie sheet, you put a parchment paper, and then you put the almonds on top. And you will have to move them around because unlike a tray like this, the air won't circulate underneath. So you have to move them around. Select the lowest you can on your oven because the Fahrenheit is 115 to 118 would be the max to preserve the enzymes in the almonds. And then it's 46 to 48 Celsius if it is in Celsius, which your oven might not go as low, but you know, it's also a way of doing it. The difference is that the dehydrator will go all the way to the core of the food, whereas your oven will eventually create a drier outside, so the moisture inside is not all taken out. So then you would keep your almonds in your fridge. And I cannot tell you how long you could keep them, but certainly when you have a taste, you would know if it's good, you know, if it's still good or not. One thing I want to tell you as well about the almonds, and as other nuts, nuts have monounsaturated fat. And you need unsaturated fat to absorb the nutrients in the food. So it's perfect. You know, I mean, don't eat a pound of nuts, but eat some. It's good for you. And also specifically for the almonds, it lowers the bad cholesterol. It's low glycemic index, so it's perfect for your blood sugar, and it's nutrient dense. It is rich in protein, in minerals, which is needed for energy and muscle repair. So it's a good thing to eat them. In the description below, you'll have a link to how to make almond milk, which you can make in 5 minutes. So it's going to be a good way to use those sprouted almonds. Good for you, way more delicious when they're sprouted too. Enjoy the food that loves you back. See you soon. Oh, and leave a comment, share, subscribe. That really helps me. I really appreciate it. Thank you. See you soon.